So in today's video, we're exploring 40 plus of the best dressing table designs and dressing mirrors for bedrooms in 2026. Each design is unique, practical, and trendy, perfect for making your bedroom feel both luxurious and personal. Let's dive in. 1. Minimalist wooden dressing table. Simple lines with natural wood finish bring a calm, modern vibe. 2. Wall-mounted dressing mirror. Saves floor space while keeping your bedroom sleek and airy. 3. Compact corner dressing table. Perfect solution for small bedrooms where every inch matters. 4. Classic white vanity with drawers. Timeless look with plenty of storage for makeup and accessories. 5. Hollywood mirror dressing table. Built-in bulbs give that glamorous, celebrity-style touch. 6. Rustic wooden dressing unit. Adds warmth and character with earthy tones and textures. 7. Glass top dressing table. Smooth, reflective surface for a clean and modern appeal. 8. Floating dressing shelf with mirror. Minimal design that creates an uncluttered look. 9. Elegant marble finish dressing table. Luxury-inspired piece for a high-end bedroom feel. 10. Foldable dressing table with hidden storage. Smart design that combines function with space saving. 11. Contemporary black finish vanity. Bold and chic, perfect for modern interiors. 12. Vintage-inspired dressing mirror. Adds nostalgia and charm to your personal space. 13. Round mirror with slim table. Stylish and light, great for contemporary bedrooms. 14. Built-in wall niche dressing unit. Creates a custom design look that feels seamless. 15. Multi-drawer vanity table. Organized solution for those with lots of essentials. 16. Luxury velvet stool with dressing set. Comfort meets glamour with rich textures. 17. Compact ladder style dressing table. Functional design that leans stylishly against the wall. 18. Industrial metal and wood vanity. Modern, edgy design for urban-inspired bedrooms. 19. Gold frame mirror with slim console table. Touch of elegance with minimal effort. 20. Rotating mirror dressing table. Adjustable angles for perfect lighting and comfort. 21. Smart dressing table with LED lighting. Perfect illumination for makeup and grooming. 22. Minimal floating drawer vanity. Keeps things simple and clutter-free. 23. Pastel-colored dressing unit. Adds softness and charm with subtle hues. 24. Tall standing mirror with slim shelf. Great for both dressing and checking full outfits. 25. Two-tone dressing table design. Creative mix of contrasting finishes for a bold look. 26. Compact dressing stool with storage. Doubles as a seat and organizer. 27. Elegant mirror with carved frame. Adds an artistic, decorative feel to the bedroom. 28. High gloss finish dressing table. Reflective and sleek. Perfect for modern luxury. 29. Wall-to-wall dressing mirror. Dramatic feature that makes small rooms feel larger. 30. Integrated dressing table with wardrobe. Smart, space-saving design with seamless flow. Creating a luxury walk-in, effect even in small bedrooms. 31. Scandinavian-style vanity. light wood tones and simple forms for a cozy vibe. 32. Arched mirror dressing design. Elegant curves that feel stylish and modern. 33. Dressing table with transparent chair. Light and airy design with a chic twist. 34. Customized modular vanity unit. Tailor-made for both function and aesthetics. 35. Round backlit mirror dressing table. Creates a soft, glowing effect at night. 36. Classic wooden dressing hutch. Traditional design with extra storage shelves. 37. Luxury mirror dressing table. Reflective surfaces add sparkle and elegance. 38. Compact sliding mirror design. Saves space while hiding useful storage. 39. Multi-purpose desk and dressing combo. Works as a study desk and vanity in one. 40. Statement mirror with minimal base table. Keeps focus on the mirror for bold effect. 41. Dressing table with side shelves. Extra storage without compromising design. 42. Compact dressing nook with curtains creates a private, cozy corner in the bedroom. 43. Sustainable bamboo dressing unit. Eco-friendly and stylish for 2026 interiors. And there you have it. Over 40 of the best dressing table designs for bedrooms in 2026. From compact modern vanities to glamorous mirrors with lights, each one brings its own charm and functionality to your personal space. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more home and bedroom design ideas.